I'm scrolling on my FYP. I see this girl. She showed her before and after. When I tell you shorty was looking good, I'm like, yo, if she can do that, I can do that, okay? How many of y'all drink apple cider vinegar? Nasty, right? Listen, she was taking this pill by Fresh Healthcare, right? And so she was talking about how it fixed her gut. She started using the bathroom. How many of y'all remember that drink, right? It had apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, cinnamon, and ginger. All natural, y'all. We used to drink it by the gallon. This is it in pill form. Nothing sticks on my stomach. Listen, I don't think y'all understand what I'm telling y'all, right? The food in America is trash, trash, okay? And if you're not taking something that is cleaning your gut from the inside out, you're going to continue to do what you're doing and get no results. I know. Trust me, okay? Now listen, if you tired of feeling sluggish, if you tired of getting a lot of sleep but waking up and still being that way, then guess what? You need to clean your gut. If you have inflammation, if your blood is not flowing properly, you need to clean your gut. I knew I was doing the right thing when people started noticing me. They're like, girl, what you been doing different? That apple cider vinegar, okay? With the cayenne and the cinnamon and the ginger, all natural? Yes, it's doing us right. If you are struggling, I'm trying to tell you, this is the cheat code. Get it. I'm going to link it down below. Run and do not walk.